My name is Natale. I've been traveling for the last 4 years, working with permaculture related projects. And during my travels I had the opportunity to meet Susana for a couple of days. We didn't interact that much, but then I had the opportunity to meet her again. And during this second time that we met each other, she mentioned about the soul plan reading, and I found it really interesting. And I had the chance to do it, and I did it, and it was really surprising for me because the only information, the detailed information that I give her, it's my full name, and with that she presents you with a lot of information about yourself, about myself, and it's incredible how it matches with what I really am. Lots of things that I'm aware of it, and lots of things that I knew it, or maybe I didn't know it, or I was trying to escape from. And it's nice because I've now it's been maybe 2 weeks that I did it, and it stays in your mind. You keep thinking about it, and I think it really helps, like for myself to develop like the potentials that I have, and also like to confront like these negative patterns also that I have. And I think it's extremely useful, and I would recommend for everyone to do it.